Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today this is the part 2 of how to make phone stand very easily at home in lockdown. So what you need for this is only just these material. First is cardboard, stapler, eraser, favicol, any lace which is very easily available at home, and if you don't have lace you can also use designer tapes, a rolling pin or any material which can work like a rolling pin, a pencil, pair of scissors and scale. These are the only materials which you need for making this. So now let's get started. Now first take your A4 sheet and fold it from the center like this. Now open it and fold from the center again like this. This will become like a brochure type. Now again fold it like this. Now fold it from the center like this. Now take your scissors, means take your scale and pencil and mark the lines here. These are the lines of 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now take this end and fold it till 2 centimeter like this. Now fold it once more. And now after doing this much, just press it hardly that it fixes like this only. Now open this all and glue this from here. Now take your favicols. I am using all the materials which are very easily available at home. If you want, then you can also glue it from more inside. Now paste it and make sure you do not paste any extra fold, otherwise this hole will be ruined. Now it's half ready. Now you can rub these lines if you want. Now this is pasted. Now you can do what is, just place it like this and fold these from the center. Now make sure your fold should not be open, but this can be like this. Now fold this like this, and now take your stapler or favicol, whatever you like, and staple it like this here. And do not be tensed that it will not look even, because it is going to look even after we decorate it, and we will also decorate it with very easily available materials. If you don't have stapler, then you can also use favicol for it, but stapler is so instant, so I am using this. Make sure you secure it properly so that it do not open in later. Now it is bit ready. Now for decorating, you can also draw anything here like eyes, nose, etc. Or if you don't want to do so, then you all have this type of lace. Just wrap it all around this. like this. So let me also do it. Now you can see I have added this lace all over the stand, and now our stand is fully ready. You can also adjust it if you want from here. You can press it from here and adjust it like this according to your convenience. And if you also want, then you can also add this lace here, or you can also decorate it by using pencils. And if you can also decorate it using designer tapes and etc materials you can use. Now let me show you how you can keep your phone here. Now I have bought my phone. You can keep your phone like this if you want to keep it straight. If not, then you can also keep it like this. This is a really nice and useful phone stand. And if you want to make this more portable, then you can also take a cardboard and a rolling pin and roll this whole cardboard, and then this will become soft like this. And then you can also add this inside this for making it more strong, but my lace is already enough strong, so I don't need it. So thanks you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new updates. Thank you.